Welcome to Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today, right off the bat, I got to apologize to Sandy. I told her I was cutting her sign on this video, and as it turned out, not everything came in. I ordered some Oramask 813. I've been told a number of times by people that do this that it's the contact paper of choice for this. It won't pull up like that debacle I had a few videos ago where the contact paper pulled up, got caught up in the spindle. So, not this video, hopefully the next one. I'm hoping that stuff comes in here in the next 2 or 3 days, and if so, I'm going to go ahead and let another video go this week because I'm going to be out of pocket next week. So I'll try to get 2 out this week, I'm hoping. No promises. So the next thing I'm going to talk about real quick is we had the Arts Festival a couple of weeks ago, the Chickasaw Arts Festival, and walking through it, I walked by a booth. And I was with my wife and I said, look, this guy here's doing CNC work. I'm going to look at this. This is really good stuff. And he breaks in and says, no, it's not CNC. It's handmade. Here's a little clip of his stuff. And I mean, wow. Nah. Hey guys, I'm here at the Chickasaw Art Festival. And I've ran across a booth and I thought they were doing CNC. So we're going to take a look at his stuff. I'm talking to this guy and I'm looking at the stuff he's doing. I was asking him what kind of process, what kind of system he's using. This is all handmade. He literally sits here and tools this stuff by hand. And then he has some stuff that is really, really intricate. Okay, so the guy that does this stuff is named Dan Beaver. He actually does make all this stuff by hand. He is a light horse police officer at this time, and this is what he does in his spare time. I'm going to turn it over to him and let him tell you how to find his stuff and how you can buy it. Okay, so how do we find your stuff?
I do a lot of it through Facebook under Dan Beaver, and I got a offset to Red Hand Designs through my Facebook. And everything I do from the woodworking, when I'm starting on, when I completed, or even where I'm going like today, I'll post it on there so everybody can find me and see what latest thing I'm working on.
Okay, so guys, I'm going to leave a link down below so you can go check him out and run over and see what he's got going on. So, I mean, you saw there how to get hold of him. It's Dan Beaver or Red Hand Designs. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description box for his page. That way y'all can go check it out and look at his stuff. I mean, hours and hours and hours of work. The man's a lot more patient than me. So today what I'm going to cut is I'm going to call it a rustic flag. I saw this, I've seen it 2 or 3 times, and so I've been messing with the image and trying to get it programmed up. And so today I'm going to do it in pine. More than one reason. The pine's light enough that I have this time that I'm not going to use white when I paint. And I've done it a little smaller than I normally would simply because I'm just kind of seeing how the design goes before I cut it into some nicer wood. And I'll probably actually make it a little bigger whenever I start producing it to sell. So let's get started. So there you go, guys. That is exactly what I was after. I think it's a cool look. And I made it a little bit bigger board because initially I thought I was going to put, you know, We the People or United We Stand or something around it. But just for the initial cut here, I went ahead and just did just the flag. Just didn't think I'd need it because I'm probably not actually ever going to sell this one. This is just out of pine. And I might, I don't know. But I thought it had a cool look to it. It has a rustic. Most of them I've seen have been done in black. I'm kind of back and forth on that. I mean, it is our flag, and I'm not big on painting it black. So I don't know. I may do one that way in the future, but not this time. So guys, that's about it for this one. If y'all haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.